Hey everyone, and welcome. So we're about to tackle a choice that most of us make based on gut feeling, but it turns out it's packed with hidden practical impacts. That's right, we're talking about the color of your car, and believe me, it affects way more than just its looks.
I mean, think about it. You're at the dealership, you're browsing online, and your first thought is probably, which one looks the coolest? It feels like it should be the most straightforward, purely personal choice you can make.
But here's the thing. What we found is that this one simple choice can influence how visible you are on the road, how much money you get back when you sell it, and even how hot the inside of your car gets on a sunny day. So yeah, let's dive in.
All right, so first up, let's get into these hidden realities. We're going to move way past just what looks good and really understand the surprising practical side of your car's color.
And we have to start with the big one, safety. Because the data is crystal clear on this. How well other people can see you is directly tied to your car's color. And that, of course, plays a huge role in avoiding accidents.
Okay, so take a look at this breakdown. At the very top, with the highest accident risk, you've got black cars. I mean, it makes sense, right? They're just harder to see, especially around dusk or at night. Gray cars are also really tricky because they can basically become road camouflage, just blending right into the asphalt. Even silver can be tough to spot on an overcast day.
And this really shows you the two extremes perfectly. Black cars literally absorb light, which makes them incredibly difficult to see when it's dark out. On the flip side, white cars are almost always ranked the safest. Why? Because they do the exact opposite. They reflect the most light, making them stand out and be super visible, especially at night.
Now, this is a fact that kind of blew my mind. We all think of red as this super vibrant look-at-me color, don't we? But it turns out it can actually blend in with really important things like stop signs and brake lights. That means it could be less distinct right at the moment you need it to stand out the most.
And you know, visibility isn't just about crashers, it's also about theft. Think about it. A thief doesn't want a car that screams for attention. So bright, unusual colors like yellow and orange are stolen way less often, simply because they're so easy to spot. Thieves want the common stuff, black, white, silver, because they can just melt into traffic and disappear.
All right, let's switch gears and talk about money. We're going to get into how your car's color can affect everything from what you pay for insurance to what you get when you sell it. I'm sure you've heard this one before. It's one of the oldest myths in the car world. You buy a flashy red car, and your insurance is just going to go through the roof. But is there actually any truth to that?
The answer is a big, fat no. It's just a myth. Your car's color has absolutely zero direct impact on your insurance rates. That whole red car thing, totally made up.
So, here's what the insurance companies actually care about. They're looking at the make and model of the car, what year it is, its safety features, and of course, your own driving record. Those are the things that determine your premium, not whether the paint is red or blue.
But while color won't affect your insurance bill, it definitely affects your car's resale value. Those timeless, popular colors like white, black, and silver almost always hold their value better. It's simple, supply and demand. They appeal to more people. A trendy color like lime green might be cool for a year or two, but it can look dated pretty fast, which shrinks your pool of buyers and lowers the price. Okay, so we've covered safety and money. Now let's bring it down to the daily grind, the practical stuff, you know? How comfortable your car is on a hot day, and how much time you're going to spend trying to keep it clean.
This one is just simple physics, really. Dark colors absorb more sunlight, which means more heat. A black car can get way hotter inside, which makes your air conditioning work overtime. Lighter colors do the opposite. They reflect that heat, keeping the inside cooler. It might even save you a little bit on gas since your AC isn't having to fight so hard.
Oh man, anyone who's ever owned a black car knows this pain all too well. Dark colors show absolutely everything. Dust, dirt, water spots, all those tiny little swirl marks. If you want it to look good, you have to work for it. On the other hand, silver and gray are the undisputed champions of low maintenance. They are the best at hiding all that everyday grind. You know, over time, any color can start to look a little tired and faded. The number one culprit is the sun. That UV radiation just beats down on the paint. But it's also things like harsh weather, nasty stuff like bird droppings and tree sap, and of course, just plain old age.
So how do you fight back? Well, first, wash your car regularly to get all those contaminants off. Second, give it a good wax every few months and make sure it has UV inhibitors. Just think of it like sunscreen for your car. And third, pretty simple. Whenever you can, park in a garage or just in the shade to limit that direct sun exposure.
So we've covered a ton of ground here, right? From safety and theft all the way to money and maintenance. It's pretty clear that picking a car color is a much bigger decision than it seems. It really is a balancing act between style and substance.
And that brings us to what we can call the car-color compromise. It's all about looking at these practical things: safety, resale value, where you live, how much you actually want to wash your car, and weighing all that against the color that you just plain love the look of. There's no right or wrong answer, just a more informed one.
So we'll leave you with this question to chew on. Now that you know all the hidden realities behind car color, what's it going to be for your next car? Are you going to go for maximum safety and practicality, or for that perfect style you've always dreamed of? The choice, as they say, is yours.
Please like, subscribe, and get notified.